Today I'm cooking a Thai authentic minced pork salad, or in Thai we call it Larb Moo. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of minced pork, 10 grams of basil leaves, pluck from the stem and wash, 10 grams of minced leaf, pluck only the leaves and wash, 10 grams of cilantro stem and leaf, wash, 25 grams of spring onion, wash, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 5 grams of kaffir lime leaves, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of roasted ground chili, 2 tablespoons of roasted ground rice, and 80 grams of shallots. The full list of ingredients and roasted ground rice recipe are in the See More link. Heat the pan. Put in all the minced pork. Add in all the salt, fish sauce, and kaffir lime leaves. Stir until well combined or until minced pork changes color to gray. This will take around 2.5 minutes. Break any clumps of meat while stirring. Make sure they are loosened. After 2.5 minutes of consistently stirring, the minced pork has changed color to gray. They are also well distributed and have no more lumps. A little gravy was released as well. However, this is not well cooked yet. Cover the pan and simmer for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the pork is well cooked and has released some gravy in the pan. This is perfect. Switch off the heat. Transfer the pork to a larger heat-resistant mixing bowl. Leave it to cool. While waiting for the pork to cool down, prepare the vegetable. Cut shallots into thin slices. All done. Put it back in the same bowl and leave it aside. Cut off the white stem of the spring onion. Chop only the green leaves and leave it aside. Mint leaf. Put it in the same bowl and leave aside. Basil leaf. Leave aside. And cilantro leaves. Leave aside. This concludes all the vegetable cutting. Now squeeze the lime. Press and roll the lime on the chopping board before cutting it. This is to get more lime juice. Cut 2 limes as we need about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Next, mix the salad. Remove all the kaffir lime leaves. Add in all shallots, basil leaves, mint leaves, spring onion, roasted ground rice, roasted ground chili, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and mix until well combined. Oh wow, this looks so yummy! The lovely fragrance of fresh lime and the roasted ground rice is so good. Now I can give it a taste. It's delicious and perfect. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. However, it's really good now. Alright, the authentic minced pork salad or Larb Moo is ready. Let's dish out and serve. This is best eaten with fresh vegetables such as raw cabbage, long beans, faux anchor beans, and cucumber. Use the cabbage as a wrap. Put the minced pork salad on the top and a bit of minced leaf and cucumber. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is so good! A tasty minced pork with sour, spicy, and a little hints of saltiness, wrapped with a crunchy raw cabbage, cucumber, and a fresh taste of mint leaves. It is so great and delicious. Very authentic Thai taste indeed. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!